I invite you to watch it because this is our network's love letter to you. I'm glad. I'm glad not because gusto natin magpasikat or gusto natin magyabang. So far from that. I think I've been very, very, very passionate about this show. And I'll say it all the time, very emotional about the show. Because there's a need to tell our story. Our parents' story, our grandparents' story. And kung maganda yung response, that kind of gives me, not really a guarantee, pero like a bit more assurance na mas marami tayong maaabot na mga tao na gusto nating mapagkwentuhan ng story natin. Hirap naman kasi gumawa ka nung gano'n tapos hindi pinanood, di ba? Kahit gaano kaganda yung intention. So I think it was so generous of GMA to allow us to do this and to be able to do it the right way because it's no joke to do a show like this. And no, I'm not even talking about yung efforts ko or efforts ng team. Pero to just to greenlight the project, it's such a big deal. So I know I'm on the right network kapag ganun. I invite you to watch yung Pulang Araw, not because of the standard invitation tayo say na pinaghirapan namin ito maganda. I invite you to watch it because this is our network's love letter to you, to the Filipino, and also to our parents. Yung mga nauna sa atin, yung may mga pinagdaanan noon. So, panoorin nyo lang kasi just by watching it, nakapag-contribute na kayo dun sa love letter. Kasi inabsorb nyo na yung storya. And I want you to keep it in your heart so that when the time comes that you become parents na rin, pakipasa yung storya doon para alam ng mga kababayan natin, no matter how far down the line na sila, kung mga apo nyo na sila, alam nila kung sino tayo as a people. Alam nila kung ibig sabihin ng puso when we talk about puso kasi it's always just about yung giting natin kapag lumalaban. And we're so much more than that. Puso is also about forgiveness sa mga hapon, forgiveness to each other, yung tapang natin, yung love natin for each other, yung care natin sa family. The Filipino is so unique and you'll see it here sa Pulang Araw.